So this is chapter 6, data description. So I'm going to focus on the ungrouped data. Okay, so for example, calculate the mean, median, and mode for 15, 16, 21, 23, 26, 26, 30, 32, and 41. So firstly, if we want to calculate the mean, the formula is the summation of x over n. So what do we need to do is we need to add everything. So 15 plus 16 plus 21 plus 23 plus with 26 plus 26 plus 30 plus 32 plus 41 divided by the number of data. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the total number of data is 9. So now if you use your calculator, you should be able to see that the summation now is 230 over 9, which will give us 25.56. So that is the value for our mean. So now let us move on to the median. The first one when n is an odd number. The second one when n is an even number. So as you can see, the number of data now is 9. So that means n is an odd number. So we are going to use the first formula, where we are going to take the n plus 1 over 2 value. So n is equal to 9. So we are going to take n plus 1 over 2 value, which means it's going to be 9 plus 1 over 2 value. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 over 2 is 5. So this is definitely the fifth value. So that means our median is equal to x of 5. So now we already have everything in ascending order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fifth one is 26. So the median is 26. Okay, so done with the median. Mode is the value that occur most frequently. So that value must come out more than once. So the only number that come out twice is 26. Therefore, the mode is 26. Okay, so example 2, calculate the first quartile, third quartile, interquartile range, and the 70 percentile for 15, 16, 21, 23, 26, 26, 30, 32, and 41. So firstly, we don't have a basic formula to calculate the quartile for ungrouped data. So that means we are going to use the formula for percentile. So if we want to calculate the first quartile, that is similar to calculating the 25th percentile. And calculating the third quartile, this is similar to the 75th percentile. So the formula to calculate, as you can see over here, we have a K. So, and then this one we have S. So the formula for S is N multiplied with K over 100. Okay, so read the number. As we can see, we have 9 digits. So the number of data is 9. So let us calculate the first quartile, which is P25. So calculating the S is N multiplied with K over 100. So this is 9 multiplied with 25 over 100. So by using our calculator, we should be able to see this is 2.25. So when S is not integer, we are going to round them up to the nearest integer, which is 3. So that means the first quartile, which is P25, this is equal to the third data. So 1, 2, 3, the third one is 21. So the first quartile is 21. So now let us calculate the third quartile. So this is P75. So let us calculate the S. S is 9. So 9 multiply with 75 over 100. So this is equal to 6.75. As we can see, S is not in an integer, so we're going to round them up to the next integer, which is 7. So this is equal to x of 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So x of 7 is equal to 30. So now by calculating the interquartile range is actually the third quartile minus the first quartile, which is 30 minus with 21, and this is equal to 9. Okay, so now calculating P70. So let us use the formula for S to calculate 70 first. So 9 multiplied with 70 over 100. So this is equal to 6.3. So again, 6.3 is not an integer. Round them up to the nearest integer, which is 7. So this is x of 7. So this is equal to 30 as well.